2-0 na para sa UST. Ariel Cacao again with a usual job. The set up in between was blocked, and it's a point here again for UST. Totally completely changed, favoring UST so far. And block point pa. Wala talaga silang binibigay sa FEU.
Alam kasi nila na sa mga combination plays between is gonna have the last say because he did a really good job in the first set. So kailangan paandarin ng FEU ang gitna nila.
Grab block of the Saavedra. There was coverage from back row para rito sa UST.
Oh, wow! You know, I thought that set was gonna be a goner because medyo malayo si Sally, pero grabe yung push ni Sally. Nahanap pa niya yung butas sa kabila.
Wow. An ace! Sally with an ace. Everything going the way of UST here in set 2.
They're playing light.
Toe to toe. Time bawi. Si Sally, another attack point.
It's so hard to stop Sally because he's tall and he jumps high. So he can go over the blockers. Kaya kailangan yung coverage talaga ng FEU mabilis.
One set apiece. Lyric Mendoza.
Oh, it's over. Good dig.
Ulitin natin yan. Sabi ni Sally.
Ang galing kasi ni Sally. Nakita niya hindi pa ready for defense ang FEU. Kaya hindi na niya sinet-set pa. Binalik na niya agad yung bola.
There was a scramble on the part of FEU and Sally is making it quick. A bit between. Another good serve here. Daximbao. Good dig right there. Ariel Cacao. Because Patero gets block ball still up. Pwede pa. I don't think. Two all had a couple of aces. Previous set for Lyric Mendoza. Iyon naman ang gagawin.
Again, it's really hard to stop Sally. Pero kailangan talaga merong magbablock sa kanya kasi he's such a smart player.
It's out.
Oh, they're going to challenge it. Our referee called it out.
Yes.
But they're challenging it.
That attack by Sally. Ball in, ball out. See if they're going to be successful with this challenge. Coach Oji Mamon.
Oh, wow. Super in. That was a good call. Alam na alam ni Sally, pasok yung bola niya eh.
Kamot na lang tuloy si Mr. Line Judge.
Good first ball.
Sally.
You know, si Sally, alam niya yung kalaban niya. Alam niya yung strengths and weaknesses and he plays on them. Tama yan. Wiped it off the blocking hands of the... Good block.
Now we got, good rally that we're enjoying here so far.
You see what I'm saying? Itong si Sally, even nasa likod siya, ano yan, taas ng volleyball IQ. Kaya you have to watch him. Tingnan mo yung kamay sa
USC ahead. Naging regalo Buksali.
Kumbaga parang si Valera set up Sally for the point.
Wala na, helpless na rin si Bicos Panteras. He went for the reception. Alam niya, over eh. So now 4-2.
Tied the game.
Bicos rejected by Buksali.
Espartero, baka mahuli na yung laglag niya eh. Kaya hinataw niya. But the net defense of Sally was there. Wingspan.
It's long, yep.
Another great A pass there from Ibanez.
Yohon! Naging threat kasi si Trevor eh.
Totoo.
Kaya isa lang yung naiwan kay Books. 2 points for Albuquerque Sally. Consistency kailangan nandun. It's always present. How you started it, you should cool with crunch. Pero cool na cool ngayon ang datingan ng mga taga-UST Coachets.
Because they're up here in this set 8-4 and it seems parang hindi nagkakamali. On point from different players. And right now, Sally, that opposite attack, scoring para sa UST.
Yun yung pang World Championship na atake, yung mga zone number 1. Coming from zone number 1. On, Ahmed Bituin, dug by Josh Ibanez. Sally, may check.
Kita mo kay Saavedra ay panghihinayang that check ball. A good rally that we witnessed there. Players.
Back set. Pumasok na para kay Bucards.
Sabay-sabay talagang maganda ang nilalaro na itong mga players ng UST.
Sa Avedra Zone 1, Ed Alabar was there. Same thing from Bucards.
Grabe yun, ang layo.
Nairaos lang.
Ang layo nung nilipad ko ni Sally.
Nairaos yung landing.
Oo, it was the one serving. Kaya di siya pwede pumasok sa front line eh.
Tsaka,
And yun nga, pinupuntahan na siya.
Sally Zone 1 na naman.
Ganda ng execution. Nagiging decoy itong si Ibanez. Na Yambao doing the right things. Para sa kanila, 13-8, but hindi pwedeng kumumpiyansa. They're going to that back row attack dyan kay Sally.
Back set. Nice play coming from Daxia Bao and Albuquerque Sally. Napalo ni Drix. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Buksali, check out.
Akala ko pupuli pa ni Ibanez. Yung pala, iniiwasan na yung bola.